Working on it today. Gonna try to get the exhaust put on. We got some little pieces cut out. We're gonna try to angle this down from here and then come in about right here and go back. So we're just trying that, and then we'll see what that looks like. Here's what we got so far. Got a little bit of an angle here with a short piece of straight pipe, and then another angle to bring it back right on top of the header. We're going to relocate the coils so we don't have to worry about those getting too hot. And we're going to bring another short piece right here, and we're going to try to match this bend on the primary tube. So we'll come out and then go down this way and then down to try to give as much room as possible for this master cylinder that's got to go back on here. Here's what we got on this side. We got this pipe all cut and angled around here. So when you look at it from the front, it goes over to the header and follows it straight back to give us the maximum amount of clearance for master cylinder, which will be up here somewhere. So we're gonna get one made for the other side, hopefully. That'll match this one pretty close, and then we'll get them welded up. There's both the pipes on the car, tacked together, working on welding a little bit on the cars, and then we'll weld the rest off the car. But they're pretty symmetrical the way they come down and go into the frame, or under the frame there.
Okay, so we've got this thing kind of mocked up, and kind of got the turbos set where we want them. We had planned on this being kind of a long-term project, but some things have changed, so tomorrow they will be here to get it, to start the body work on it, get it ready for paint.